Good news guys, ayan na nga nakapag-set up na tayo ng drying facility sa ating pilot community sa Ginuman, Diplan, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Medyo malaki yung ating facility, so beans na lang talaga yung ating kulang guys. Pero darating din tayo dyan, no? Ang ating facility ay gawa sa bamboo slits at nilagyan natin ng screen para ma-dry natin properly yung ating mga cow beans. At dahil nga, meron tayong facility na break-in na natin gaganito dahil meron tayong harvest mula sa Quadra Farm at Pagubo Farm. Guys, lagi nating tandaan that pag mag-dry din ng beans, we have to monitor the temperature. Kailangan hindi siya tataas sa ambient o yung temperature sa paligid. This is day number 2. Makikita natin na medyo nagda-dry na yung outer layer ng beans. This is day number 3. There is a slight change of color already in the beans. Mapapansin natin siya. And then in the day number 4, we just keep on monitoring the temperature and make sure that properly laid out yung ating mga beans sa ating platform. Day number 5, medyo obvious na yung change of color, medyo reddish brownish na siya. On day number 6, mafe-feel mo na siya na slightly magaan na yung mga beans natin, no? Isa yan sa palatandaan na medyo dry na yung ating mga beans at maaamoy mo na siya na sobrang bango na niya. On day number 7, this is what it looks like. You can do a bean cut test to make sure na brownish at properly dried na yung beans. If that's the case, you can cool it down and then store it in a safe space. But if you think you need one more day to dry the beans, lalo na pag makulimlim ang nakarang araw, you can still extend it to another day. So that's our 7-day drying of the beans.